Good afternoon. Already we know the basic of projection and how we can get the views like that. Now we go for the actual drawing. In first angle projection, we are going to project the views in first angle projection. We can get same views using some other projection also. If it is third angle projection, we can get some different views, but we have to follow any one of projection for getting the drawing. Now we can follow the first angle projection. Before that, we know what are the objects we are going to place for getting views. First one is point. It means there is no exact dimension for this. Dimensionless solid point. Line, piece of line, dash two ends, A or B. Then plan. The plan may be in different shape. Normally a regular polygon, maybe circular lamina. Lamina means thickness is minimum, negligible amount of thickness. We can calculate only two-dimensional values. Okay, then one more object, that is cube for solid case. So we are going to place any one of these objects. It may be point or line or plan or solid. We are going to place any one of these objects in the particular quadrant. If it is first angle projection, we have to place the object in first quadrant, then we can produce views. In case of third angle projection, we have to place the same object in third quadrant, further we can produce views. That is the projection process, like city projector. We have to place the object in the quadrant, then we have to passing the rays from our eyes, then the image will get on the screen. What is the projected view? Which are falls on the screen. That is called view. Okay, you can take any one object now. Basically, before that, please remember the projection. I mean, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Just recall the same thing once again. First angle projection, second angle, third angle, fourth angle. For example, we are taking only one object. Initially, we can take point. Point, it may be called as by alphabetic letter name. So we can give name, that is called A. Point A. Placed in first quadrant. You are going to see the view. You have to place here. You have to place here. So this is the visible direction. This is the just I am drawing like eye shape. So we are going to see from this area. The component is placed. The component or object is placed in any one of the quadrant. But we are using first angle projection. So we are placing the object, namely point. A point is placed in the first quadrant. You have to see from here to get the views. Okay, if you are seeing from in front of this one, before that, once again I remember the basic reference plans. With plan which is having horizontal direction, horizontal position, that is called HP. HP means horizontal plan. Vertical plan means VP. Vertical plan abbreviated as VP. So intersection of these two will form the quadrant. So now we can place the point at any quadrant. First case, we are placing the point in first quadrant. So see that, just you have to think about the relative position of the point with reference to HP and VP. It means if you are seeing from right side, the front view will fall on the VP. It means now this plan is acting as screen. If you are seeing from top side, just above the point, view falls on the HP, horizontal plan. So now this will be front view. In case of name of the point is A, we have to denote the front view. We have to use small letter with dash. So point is A. We are placing the front view simply a dot. We can name this dot like a dash because it is front view. In top view, the same dot, same view. In our case, in case of point, both front view and top view are the same view like a dot. Here also you are having point, but the name is, you have to mark as small a without dash. So basic, if it is front view, you have to convert the point name with small letter with dash. The same point, but you have to mark small letter alone. Don't use dash for top view. Okay. Now we are marking the views in the three-dimensional representation. Now we can draw in 2D in drawing sheets. Just simply front view, okay, no problem. Front view, there is a vertical plan, XY, intersection of these two one called reference line, XY, simply. How we can convert these into views in drawing sheet or 2D representation? How we can like this? Simply, if you are saying from right side, simply a line XY, reference line in 3D, we can know above area, top it will be VP area, vertical plan, bottom is below XY, that is called HP area. The line which connects the HP area and VP area plan, that is called reference line XY. So, if you want to mark the dot A dash to have the view, simply draw a thin line. Have to mark point just A dash. Then below XY line, you have to mark small a. Both are dot. A dash dot is front view, small a dot is called top view. So now we can think about the distance from the basic plans. HP, VP. Now we go for the relative position. The point A is above HP. Also, the same point is in front of VP. The viewing direction is this. You are standing here to see the projection. Point A is simply above HP and in front of VP. So we can get the view. So how we can convert this view into below XY line? That is one basic. For after projection of views, you have to rotate this horizontal plan through 90 degree. That's why the complete plan coincides with VP area. So automatically the top view will come below the XY line. In this projection, first angle projection, normal front view will come above the XY line. Normal top view will come below the XY line. So if you want to take any distance above HP, automatically above XY line. If you want to take any distance in front of VP, this is the distance. In between the plan and the object, this distance is in front of VP distance. So from HP, what will be the distance between the point A and the HP? This distance in front of, above HP distance. Okay. So above HP distance, you can take above XY line. In front of VP distance, you can take below XY line. This is a basic. Suppose one more example. Sir, the point B. Just I am placing in second quadrant. The point object. Here also we are considering the point as object. A point B is placed in second quadrant. So now we can know the distance where it was located. What is the relative position with reference of HP and VP? It means simply the standing direction no change. Simply have to stay here, to stand here to see the views. Simply in last case the point is in front of VP. In this case the point is behind VP. Also above HP. So first quadrant the point is above HP in front of VP. The same point is placed in second quadrant. The point is behind VP and also above HP. For example, if the point is placed in third quadrant, simply you can take another point also, point C. Same thing, the point is behind VP and below HP. Similarly, in fourth quadrant, the same point, but take any point, A, B, D, you can know below HP, in front of PP. So by using these concepts, we can creating the views. First angle projection, there is a basic view. How we are getting views? Simply we can say, so top view will come below the XY line. Front view will be above the XY line. This is a basic. This is the reason that we are getting the views like this. Okay? In this class, just you have the clear idea about the projection, first angle projection, and how you can project the view, simply taking the example as a point as a object. Okay, thank you.